The site mass haul report will report out the details of your site mass haul. On the mass haul tab, you're going to click on site mass haul report, select your analysis. You can choose a snapshot. So in this case, I'm going to choose my plan view. I could also have a 3D view or other views, and I'll click OK. It's going to use that snapshot in my report. So it's going to take a second. It's going to process and load my report. Once the report displays, you can see it's got some details of the site, the name, the project, the screen grab of the analysis, as well as a breakdown, the summary of the analysis, costs associated with it as well, and some warning statistics, and even the source material provision statistics are down below. So showing you your bank cut, your total cost, your zone, your destination, your spoils, so on and so forth. So pretty detailed explanatory report of your site mass haul.